Hi guys, thanks for tuning in again. So this makeup look is going to be all about how to make them eyeliner wings super sharp. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to do this. So guys, I'm using the Be Perfect Cosmetics Clientele Palette by Jar Makeup Artist, and I'm going in with the colour Sandy. So I'm going to go in now with the colour Dirty Tan from the same palette, guys. This is a beautiful darker shade, slightly a bit darker than Sandy, and then I'm going to finish the look off with the colour Shady, just to give that eye a little bit of definition, and it makes a lovely light brown colour on the eyelids. So super cute for summertime. Key tip as well, guys, so I've just finished putting all the colours in my eye, so I'm going to go in with a new clean brush and I'm just going to blend all them colours back in. So you'll see me just going over all of the colours at once, just to make sure that we've got an even finish on the eye. So normally after I've finished blending everything all together, I'll just go in and touch up any colours that I feel that need to be more defined. So I'm just going back in with the shady colour from the same palette and adding that in, just to make the eye look a little bit more brown. You know it, guys, it's time for the other side. So same colours and same process on the other eye. So I'm just blending it all in, and then I'll go in with a clean brush as well and just make sure that that's all smooth and that it's the same on both eyes. So you will see me do this a lot too, which is just getting a clean brush and I'm just defining the eye shape. So just making sure that that's all smooth. Sometimes I'll put concealer on my brush. In this case I haven't, and I'm just smoothing everything out and just making sure that that eye shape is exactly how I want it, ready for our eyeliner. And you guys know that whatever goes on the top needs to be done on the bottom. So I'm just going in with the same colours, same process again, just on the under eye, just to make sure that that is it's going to be a super smoky eye with a lovely eyeliner. Here as well, guys, I wouldn't worry too much about it looking a bit, dark underneath the eye, because we're going to neaten that up with some concealer later on. So it's going to look super neat. Just at the moment I'm just blending everything all together to make sure that that colour isn't too blocky and that everything's all merged in together. So you want to get this black flat brush again. I'm just going to go in with the Just Black from the same palette. It's a lovely dark black colour eyeshadow, and this is a really good way for you to trace out where you're going to put your eyeliner with the gel or the liquid, depending on what you want to use. I'm going to use gel in this case, but it's just really good to get that shadow out so that obviously you know where you're marking out, and it makes less room for problems later on. So as you'll see here, I'm just tracing out slightly just where the wing is going to be, so that I can go over that with some eyeliner. So after we've got this all traced out with the black eyeshadow, it's the perfect time to go in with the gel eyeliner or the liquid eyeliner, whatever you choose to use. I'm going to use the Chanel gel eyeliner, and I'm just going to soak my brush completely and utterly in the gel, and making sure that obviously it's not going to leave any gaps when I go to do that wing. So when I do my eyeliner, I start midway. I don't start at the tip where, you know, obviously you want it as sharp and as neat as possible. Start midway. So I'm going to start building that small triangle in the corner, and then I'm going to brush it onto my eyelid so that obviously it's all smooth. So often you'll see me moving my brush as well, guys, turning it round to maximize it. You want an angled brush for this because it's going to get you a sharper tip on the end of the eyeliner. It'll take time as well, guys, to learn how to master this eyeliner. It is not something that comes to you overnight, so what I'd say is just practice, practice, practice. Now, depending on how smoky you want to go with an eye look, depends on obviously whether you're going to bring it down onto the bottom lash line. I'm going to bring it down because I wanted this look to look a bit more dramatic. So you don't have to worry about doing that, but I just feel like going over that with a little bit of black powder as well just smokes it all out and makes it all look super blended in together. This is your 2-second warning, guys. If you don't like eyeballs, turn away now. I'm going to tightline, so just lifting up the top eyelid and going in with the gel eyeliner on the top lash line will make the illusion of your eyelashes looking a lot thicker. It also covers up any little gaps that you may have when you come to put your eyelashes on, or whether you're just going in with mascara on the top lash line as well. It just makes sure that everything is super all blended in together, and it just looks neat and tidy. So after I've done that, I'm just going back in with that colour Shady from the palette, the Be Perfect Clientele palette, and I'm just making it look a bit smokier on the bottom lash line. This gives the illusion as well that your bottom lashes are a lot thicker than what they are as well. So if you're wanting a super smoky eye, this trick is gold. And here I'm just using the Stila Cosmetics Black is Black mascara. I like to put my mascara on before I do my lashes, just so that it gives that extra bit of blackness on the lash line. Bottom lashes too, baby. So I'm going to go off camera today and put my lashes on as well. So these are the Yasme London lashes. They're a beautiful thick lash, and they're honestly one of my favourite lash brands. So here I'm just going under the eyeliner wing with a bit of highlight. It just makes such a difference, and it just makes that eyeliner wing pop a little bit more. All products used as well, guys, will be in the description drop down arrow box below this video. So if you're unsure of anything that I've used, make sure you check that out. And if you're anything like me, guys, and you love a bit of highlight, I just love to have that glowy skin look. So I'm just gonna highlight all them little areas where the sun or the light is gonna catch them. So just under the brow bone, the ridge of the nose, the cheekbones, the top of the lip, the chin, and sometimes just above the eyebrows as well, and definitely on the inner corners of the tear duct as well on the eyes. And there we go, guys, we're all finished. That is your how to get a super sharp winged eyeliner tutorial, and that is it from me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel, it would mean the world to me, and thank you for watching.